Hello class 10. So good morning, good night, good evening. Okay, it depends on you whenever you open the video, right? So I have been noticing that you haven't posted any classwork. Okay, so anyway, by tomorrow you have to post. Okay, the class, all the classes. Okay, so otherwise I will not be giving you marks. Okay, so that's it. So let's finish the chapter. Let's complete our chapter. Okay, so fourth we are doing salt, isn't it? From salt, common salt, so many compounds or so many chemicals we got, isn't it? So fourth one is your bleaching powder. Bleaching powder, you know this, isn't it? Whenever there is some algae, then you have to put this bleaching powder, isn't it? लेउ लागेकोमा लाउँछ लाउँदैन त्यति बेला के लाउँछ ब्लिचिङ पाउडर हो कि पानीमा पनि लाउने गर्छ ओके सो दिस इज व्हाट calcium oxychloride, isn't it? This is what calcium oxychloride. Oxychloride. Yeah. So this is your chemical formula. So how you'll prepare this, isn't it? So just take, so write in preparation in lab. Okay, preparation, how you'll prepare or how you'll make this one, right? So you have to take calcium hydroxide, that is your slick lime. Okay, calcium hydroxide, this is also called slick lime, right? And you have to pass with chlorine gas, okay, through this one, right? You have to pass chlorine gas through slick lime. So you'll get, what you will get exactly, calcium oxychloride plus of water. So this is how we prepare in our lab. Okay, clear? So now write down properties. You can write bleaching powder is a white powder. Okay, note ma lekhnu, gives a strong smell of chlorine. Okay, so गनाउँछ नि त्यो याद गरेको ब्लिचिङ पाउडर लाग्दैको लेउमा लाउँदाखेरि कस्तो गनाउँछ नि त्यो चाहिँ के हो क्लोरिन गनाएको हो सो नेक्स्ट ब्लिचिङ पाउडर रियाक्ट्स विथ डाइल्युट एसिड टु प्रोड्युस क्लोरिन जति बेला प्रपर्टिजमा देखा this bleaching powder react with dilute sulfuric acid, you'll get what you'll get calcium sulfate plus chlorine gas, isn't it? Chlorine plus of water. So this is what you'll get. Okay, so next write down uses. Uses is very important, so write down bleaching powder is used for bleaching cloth. Bleaching clothes. क्लोथ कस्तो हुन्छ रफ हुन्छ नि त्यसलाई के गर्छ यो लगाएपछि के हुन्छ सफ्ट हुन्छ ओके सो नेक्स्ट वान राइट डाउन युज इन लन्ड्री ओके एन्ड disinfecting drinking water. Okay, disinfecting drinking water, right? So this is your bleaching powder. के याद राख्नुपर्छ तिमीहरू बोर्डको दिने हो के गर्नुपर्छ कमन नेम, दिस इज योर साइन्टिफिक नेम एन्ड दिस इज योर फर्मुला. ओके, सब याद राख्नुपर्छ. क्लियर? So next last one is your plaster of Paris. What is that? Plaster of Paris. So write down the last one is our plaster of Paris. already we know this is why we call this one, because this is originally made from Paris. Okay, first. So this is what? Calcium sulfate, hemihydrate, isn't it? Hemihydrate, right? This can be also written as 2CaSO4H2O. Clear? So half of water is used by one molecule of this one. Okay, so how you'll prepare? Okay, comes how you'll prepare. So preparation, how you'll prepare? Okay, so write down, very important. This is also called P.O. pop. Okay, plaster of Paris, also called pop. So preparation, write down, preparation is very important. So what you have to do is that gypsum. Okay, gypsum, calcium sulfate, this is called gypsum. Okay, so whenever you heat this, heat, and temperature should be 100 degrees centigrade or 373 Kelvin. You know this one, isn't it? Kelvin in class. 100 degrees centigrade equals to 373 Kelvin. यहाँदेखि उँधो उँभो गऱ्यो भने के पाउँदैन? Plaster of Paris you will not get. So CaSO4 half H2O. Remember, this should be, temperature should be keep at 100 degrees centigrade. Plus of water, 2 molecules of water break into 1.5. So this is also water. So this is a plaster of Paris. Okay, right? If you will not keep the temperature 100 degrees centigrade, then you will not get this one. Why? It will burn. Okay, and it will called plaster is burned. Okay, burnt plaster. Then you'll get only anhydrous calcium sulfate. Okay, so clear? So properties, write down properties. First property, this is white powder. Okay, plaster of Paris look white powder. Okay, so plaster of Paris बाट पनि तिमीले के बनाउन सक्छ? फेरि gypsum बनाउन सक्छ. Okay, this is called gypsum. How you'll make gypsum? यसलाई के गर? CaSO4 second property. Okay, SO4 half H2O लाई के गरिदियो? फेरि water मिलाइदियो. Okay, then you'll get gypsum, CaSO4 2H2O. Okay, this is what gypsum. Clear? Now write down use. Use is very important. Okay, for this plaster of Paris. एउटा त फ्र्याक्चर भएकोमा गर्छ. Okay, first use is your फ्र्याक्चर हुन्छ नि, बोनहरु हड्डी भाँचेकोलाई कहाँ जान्छ? सिङताम हस्पिटल या कहाँ जान्छ? हस्पिटल जाँदा के लाउँछ? एउटा प्लास्टर लाउँछ नि. त्यो चाहिँ लाएपछि चाहिँ एकछिन भएर चाहिँ सुक्छ नि, त्यसलाई नै के भन्छ? Plaster of Paris. So plaster of Paris is used in hospital. Okay, for setting fracture bones. Okay, next use, you can use this as to make toys. Okay, and so many uses are there. Okay, you can see any book. Okay, so this is what the chemicals from common salt. Clear? So now we have left one topic, then we will complete our chapter, that is your water of crystallization. Every year they used to ask what is water of crystallization. So write down water of crystallization. Water of crystallization. So water of crystallization means those molecules which contain the molecule of water. So first example is your copper sulfate is our salt, isn't it? If it contains water in their molecule or in your crystal lattice, okay, in from class 11 you will study this one, crystal lattice, okay. यस्तो हुन्छ ल्याटिक्स, ओके, त्यो ल्याटिक्समा के हुन्छ, दिस इज योर क्रिस्टल ल्याटिक्स, क्लियर। यहाँ के पनि हुन्छ, वाटर मोलिक्युल पनि जोइन भएको हुन्छ, ओके। 11 from 11 you will do. So this with the salt, with this is called water of crystallization, and this type of salt is called hydrated salt. Hydrated salt, clear. So write down the water molecule which form part of its structure. So write down water of crystallization. If they ask, then you have to write the water molecule. So write down the water molecule which form part of the structure of a crystal of salt are called water of crystallization. Water of crystallization. So different salt has different amount of water in their crystal, okay. So let us take some example, okay. Let us take gypsum, isn't it? CaSO4 2H2O. So this is your water of crystallization. It has 2 molecule of water. It has 5 molecule of water. Next example you can take this one, calcium sulfate hemihydrate, isn't it? What is this? This is your POP, isn't it? Calcium sulfate hemihydrate. So this is also water molecule, clear. So so that ends your chapter, okay. So this type of salt is called hydrated salt. Where there is water, then those type of salt is called hydrated salt, and water molecule present in that particular salt is called water of crystallization, clear. So this crystal you will study in class 11, okay. So little sorry, glance is this one, isn't it? Salt looks like a crystal, isn't it? क्रिस्टल हुन्छ भन्दैन, सल्ट चारपटे चारपटे हुन्छ नि, त्यसलाई नै के भन्छ, क्रिस्टल ल्याटिक्स भन्छ 11 मा पुग्यो, ओके. So here we have copper SO4, 4SO4, then one side you will get S2O, okay. So that is your water. So that's it for today, and tomorrow anyhow you have to post. If you need marks, then you have to post all class, okay. I need proper notes, okay. That is your homework, and this project is there, isn't it? So have a good night or have a good day.